Good morning! So in this video, you guys would probably see the title is about what I wear in a week and my university life. I am going to bring you guys along with me because this is my last semester and I thought why not just vlog about it because I wanna have like memories. So today, my outfit, today is Monday, and I'm just wearing a green blouse. I can't remember what brand was it. A black tailored straight pants from Uniqlo. So yeah, do you guys like my color? It's so pretty. I dyed it purple. It's like dark purple because I didn't bleach it. So today I have two classes. The first class, which is at 10 a.m. is composition class, which is a one-to-one class with my lecturer. I'm gonna show him what pieces I'm gonna be doing for this semester. And then I have a class on the afternoon, 5 o'clock, which is orchestra traditional, which is a performing group. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and let you guys see around the campus. So, but first I need to submit my assignment first. Okay guys, let's go. Boleh letak instrument lain atas instrument. The triangle.
Boleh.
Ah, boleh.
Simple.
Hi guys, I've just finished my class and I'm gonna head to this Dewan Bodhisiswa and I'm gonna take a tablet. The weather is so hot. Right now I'm in the parking lot and I'm gonna go. So I've already got my tablet, which is a Galaxy Tab. I'm so excited! So right now I'm off to going home and I'm gonna eat lunch. I didn't get to tour at my class because like I only had one class and it was too awkward to like film inside the campus. So I have another faculty which is at outside of my university, so that one I can bring you guys around and look at the college. It's called Intact, so we are gonna go there for my performing group class. So yeah. Hi everyone, so I've just arrived. If you guys can hear like very noisy, is because I'm cooking my ramen. I thought why not I do a little unboxing. So first we have got the book cover. It's just a plain black color. Oh my god, this is the black cover. It's Galaxy Tab A8, if you guys can see. Guys, look at this. So the material, so pretty. Open this. Then you've got the book cover. Material is a PU leather. So next, so this is a keyboard, guys. Look at this keyboard. Like how pretty is this? Wow, so pretty, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. So how pretty is this? Like it's blue color. Last second is the pen. It says the product name is Stylus Pen. Look at this. What the hell is this? Okay, finally the main grand prize, which is the Galaxy Tab A8. Woo! Guys, look how pretty this tablet is. Oh my god, so pretty. We have the charger. I have to charge it. And we also have the manual, which is like usual. Okay guys, so we are gonna put the book cover on the tab because I don't want it to be damaged. No, guys, look at this, my tablet, and then I can just put my keyboard. How cute is this? Oh my god, my desk is a mess. Anyway, I just entered the Wi-Fi password. Samsung! Look at this, guys. So pretty. So, I'm just gonna rest and wash off my makeup. So, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Wait, what's the lighting? Okay. Hi guys, so right now it's already in the evening and I have just showered. This is my outfit for today's class. It's like sportswear because Malaysia is very hot. So I'm just wearing a t-shirt, black flat pants. So let you guys see the full outfit. This is just like, so let's go. What up, bye. Hi guys, what's up? So today is the next day and I am late to class. So I'm just gonna do a quick fit check. So today I'm wearing this white top and a skirt, polka dot skirt. So like let's see on everything. So today's theme is princess. I have to get ready and go right now because my friend is there already and I'm late. Okay, let's go.
It's going fine. Everything I listen to, it's not really ready yet. Okay, bit of concern. 3 weeks. How's it going? No, we started. You know, it's very uncharted territory. I'll in some strings. Compressor, stereo width, plug-in, and some reverb on the guitar, and that was it. And then bar 9, the vocal comes in. These are hi-hat type things, they're usually toms. Little loops to ride, I guess. Some musical.
I buat vlog tau, tapi I tak bawa kamera sebab tadi berat sangat, banyak benda yang ambil. This is one of the room. I tak bawa, I don't put. Hi everyone, good morning. So today is gonna be an exciting day because today I have a talk which is a company that's like a teaching company in Singapore, an academy that basically we're compulsory to go to this talk, and then I have an interview at 3 o'clock, so hence my outfit is a white blouse and just a black tailored pants. Okay. So my outfit is just white blouse and a black pants. So this is just a simple look because we're gonna go to an interview and we can't wear anything too, you know, crazy. Wish me luck. I'm gonna bring you guys along, but I'm not gonna bring my camera because it's like too big. But I'm gonna bring my phone and gonna vlog about it, just a sneak peek. So let's go. Kan? Lihat sini. Hai. Lagi interview.
Started with about 5 students, and then it quickly grew to about 60 students. So I did that for a couple of years. Then, as Aureus grew to have 50, because when I started.
Good morning. So today is the last day of my class, which is Thursday, and today I have a presentation, so I'm really nervous about that. So as you can see, today's the outfit is blazer, this one, and a singlet, and my black usual pants, which is from Uniqlo. So this blazer is from H&M, singlet is from Shein, and the pants are from Uniqlo. So here's my outfit for today. We will go right now to my class. Let's go.
One of his best work before he died in 1918.
Hi everyone, so today is Friday, and today I am going to go to the faculty, which is at SAAS, Menara SAAS, and I am going to be composing, which is my piece for this semester, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and I'm gonna go with my friend. So today for the outfit that I'm going for is casual, like a pink top, oversized top, which is from Uniqlo, and velvet long pants, like a jeans velvet material, which is also from Uniqlo. It's in burgundy color. So this is the full outfit. This is just a casual, you know. You can tuck the shirt in, or you can just slip it off. The final result. I'm doing a contemporary piece, which is very hard, and I have to prepare the piano. I have to buy some stuff. Oh my god, the lighting is like so okay. I have to buy some stuff, which is for my prepared piano, which is what is prepared piano is like you put objects like in the strings, and John Cage actually developed this idea, and I'm gonna do that. So but first we're gonna buy like the softest material first, because like we don't want to damage the piano, and I'm not a professional in this, so we're gonna buy things first. So let's go. So these are the stuff that I bought, which is a real scissors. This is my friend's clipper, tissue, some beauty blender rubbers, and then some screws. Yep, and some fillers. Banyak. Apa?
Wow. Lama satu tu.
Cakap hello. Cakap hello.
Hello.
Cakap nama.
Nama saya Fatira.
Pagi seraja tak?
Ikut you.
Sekejap.
Orang lelaki yang kuat kan.
Nama dia punya ni. Nak kena play around dalam.
Saya tak tahu ini saya nak.
Sebab aku rasa aku buat.
Kalau dia ada nak pakai dalam ni, kita buka ni. The length of screw tu length sepanjang mana? So yang terkena ni. Atas. Kita gunting ni, sekejap masuk ke dalam. Lagi.
Cuba try.
Ni apa? Yang ni auto lah.
Just main je kat tempat. Ha, tu ada main.
Oh.
Main je buffer. Main lagi.